So do the intakes really work? Look at this. Why? Just why? It is so hot. Like, you know when it's so hot or so cold that you don't want to do anything? That's exactly how I feel right now. We got the 300 looking good. All right, guys. Oh, and the headlights are also... Ooh, Brittany. Clean headlights? Clean headlights gang? Whenever it's hot, guys, do this to your keychain or your key fob and wait for it, wait for it, wait for it, wait for it. That must have felt sick. Look, windows went down. Let the vapor just everything go out, because if I get in there, it's probably like at least 500 degrees. I don't want to die. I'm gonna expose myself and show you guys something. Our first things first, coolant needs to be put on right now. I gotta check all the lines and posts because last time I looked at it, it was not that low. Oh my god, that was the most intense thing I've ever done. Now I need to stop spilling coolant. This might work. Alright, so the main thing I really gotta fix is this right here. I'm missing a bolt right there. Okay, I think I found the bolt that I needed for this because this was kind of loose. I was missing this bolt right here, so I think I just found a spare one from that little bag, and I think we good. AC to the max. That's what I need right now. Oh my god, the air is hot, dude. What? No, no. I forgot I got. Alright, let's get this video started. I'll see you guys at the spot. It's so sad to see. It's actually so sad seeing this car just keep on getting miles and miles and miles. It really is. Alright, boys, and made it. It's really hot outside, windows up, windows down. So I think the biggest reason why I'm making this video is because you guys saw a video about me installing the intakes, which I'm gonna go back to for references, and I couldn't take off the bumper. But you guys have never seen a video of me talking about the intakes or saying if they're worth it or not. Like, I've literally installed them and never get talked about them. Which, if you guys haven't already, make sure you go ahead and watch that video on how I installed them and how I got them. Then go back to this one. So the intakes that I'm currently running right now are Stillen Gen 3s, which are made by Stillen, and they are for 370Zs and G37s. And I don't think they're made for 350s or G35s. If I'm wrong, let me know down below. Pretty sure they have a different name. These right here are, if not the best, one of the best intakes for the 370Z. Other than this, you can buy like Z1 or AAM, AEM. There's a bunch of companies out there, but they basically do the same thing, just bigger airflow for the engine. If you want to buy these brand new off the box, I believe from Stillen they are $530 something, and other companies sell them for $490. Sometimes they're on like a special 15% off. So they're pretty pricey. You guys know me on this channel, we're about saving, so I did not get this for 500 or 400. I got them for like 310, I think, and they're absolutely amazing. These intakes are supposed to give you 17.5 wheel horsepower once the car's tuned, but I'll get into that later. And that's probably about, I would say that's about 20 something to 30 to the crank, which still pretty insane amount of horsepower just from long tube intakes. It really is. The diameter of these is, I believe, 2.5 inches. That's pretty typical, very long tube intakes. There might be some out there that are bigger than 2.5. I think max is gonna be 3, but I did hear that if you get 3-inch long intakes, I mean diameter, you do need a tune. It was pretty sketchy and dangerous running it without a tune. That's why you're able to run these without a tune. All right, so it's been 3 months since I've had the intakes in the car. That's basically the biggest thing I have. I don't have a ported upper plenum or anything else. I don't have a lot of airflow coming from the front. Basically, all I have is an exhaust, test pipe, stock wide pipe, and mid pipe, and then a muffler delete. My car is not tuned, and it has never been tuned. So if your mindset before buying one of these intakes is, I'm gonna get a whole bunch of horsepower, the car's gonna feel super different, blah, 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 without a tune, no, they are not worth it. These aren't made to make a huge difference if the car's not tuned. Yes, it does help the car, better airflow. You definitely get like a, I would say 3 to 5 wheel horsepower, but that is, trust me guys, that is not enough to like be like, whoa, this is insane. Not really. This is after I just shot what I said, but I do want to include that I forgot to say, when I got the intakes in, I did feel the power band wasn't really on the low end. It was much more towards like the middle to high end, where the car just, it sounded deeper and it just went a lot more. That's where the gains really are. Now back to you, Danny. But if you do plan on tuning your car and you're gonna wait a bit and you're not expecting right away results, yes, it is 100% worth it. I mean, if you have a 370, 350 or whatever, etc., without intakes, this is what makes the car super fast, that it has dual intakes. If you don't get these upgraded and you tune the car on that dyno, I don't think you're gonna go above like 310 horsepower, wheel horsepower. It is a must if you want to tune your car. I do want to let you guys know that personally for my car, even though it's not tuned, these intakes really opened it up. Like, I have one example, and this is probably the only example I'm gonna put, but my car has gotten a lot faster with the intakes on. And back then, I raced an 09 370Z. It was an automatic, blah, blah, blah. But it was an 09, it was old, didn't really have anything to it. My car was stock as well, but I couldn't keep up with it. He always beat me by like half a car or a full car. And we're both the same year car. Recently, I think about 2 weeks ago, I'm gonna put up the clips now. I literally kept up with a 2012 or 2011 Nismo. I would not have been able to do that if my car was completely stock, 100% guaranteed. And he had he had similar models than me. And I kept up with him. That's pretty insane. That's the only really confession? No. What's the word I'm looking for? I definitely think they help you a little bit, not as much as I want obviously, but they definitely do help you in that sense of getting a little more horsepower and being a little faster. But yeah, don't really want to make this video super long. I might have, but guys, intakes definitely worth it, but don't expect that it's gonna give you a bunch of horsepower and you're gonna be super fast without a tune. It doesn't work like that, but you might keep up with Nismos, and then why buy a Nismo when your car looks cooler and is faster than a Nismo? I don't know. Nismo squad, don't get triggered, bros. Don't get triggered. We're all in the Z fam. I'm just saying. And yeah, the intakes run from down there through that little hole, and then they sit right there. Those are my intakes right there. Literally right there. Oh, I do want to adjust it so they sit a little bit lower so they get more airflow. I don't know. Just waiting for the tune, boys. Just waiting for the tune. We're gonna be shooting flames, not like here. We're gonna be like shooting. Yeah, it's gonna be crazy. Also, another little look of the taillights that you guys saw from last video. They look pretty aggressive and pretty legal. Literally had these shoes for like the past 3 years. They're like an off-brand. Anyway, boys, the review finally over. Which ones do I recommend? Honestly, I just do your research, guys, but yeah. Also, please don't go the cheap route and get short rams. Please hashtag delete short rams. They just shouldn't exist at all, and just please burn them. Look at this traffic just to get onto the, not even a main road. Actually kind of is, but still. Oh my god. Tell me how the light is green, yet the traffic is so bad. Someone's literally in the middle of the road. Like, are you kidding me? But anyways, hope you bros enjoyed. I'm gonna go ahead and end it right here. Let me know in the comments below which one of you or who of you are running intakes, what brand intakes, what do you think is the best? Let me know in the comments below. Make sure you smash that subscribe, like I said already. Smash that subscribe. We make awesome videos on this channel. Go ahead and check out the playlist. There's a bunch of videos. But like, let me know what you guys think. And I'm gonna go ahead and shower. I'm really sweaty. It's super hot, but I still love Florida. Roll the new old outro. Peace out, guys. Love you.